Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Grammy Award-winning reggae singer Kebaka Pyramid has linked up with Greensleeve Records' very own Albarosi for a brand new scorcher, Nasalot. The single emphasizes that you can get things without doing it illegally. Albarosi, who masters traditional reggae, may not have been born in Jamaica, but he promotes reggae music in its purest form. Kebaka Pyramid blends the sound of traditional Jamaican music with hip-hop and contemporary elements, and with such versatility that the song Nasalot comes together beautifully and makes the song impactful and easy to listen to.
Now me Nasalot come in a venue. Cut off every link if it offend you. Money you have to make, but careful who you have a friend you. Some of them we eat off all the food pan for your menu. Can't mix we in a nothing shaky. Straight as an a brother, so everybody rate we. I forget the bread, someone now open up a bakery, but don't mistake we, cause we no sweet like no pastry.
Now Tory Lanez is adjusting to his new life in prison. On Tuesday, he checked into North Kern State Prison in Delano, California. In July 2020, Tory Lanez shot Megan Thee Stallion in the feet after a heated altercation inside an SUV which spilled onto a Hollywood sidewalk. Last month, he received a 10-year prison term for careless discharge of a firearm, assault with a semi-automatic weapon, and possession of a loaded, unlicensed firearm. Sean Paul is still on a high following his performance for Hot 97's 50 Years of Hip Hop show at Madison Square Gardens over the weekend. In an Instagram post, Sean Paul said his performance was the perfect way to cap off his Summer Hot tour. The Gimme the Light artist was the only dancehall act built to perform. Fans saw the performance of Sean's greatest hits, including Gimme the Light and Temperature, and also a tease of his new single, Summer Hot. Blink-182 gives fans one more time with a new album. The album is scheduled to be released October 20. This marks 12 years since the group has released an album. The 17-track project is produced by group member Travis Barker. Blink-182 says this is the greatest album they've ever made. Fans got a preview of the title track, which is set to be released on Thursday.
One more time, one more time, one more. One more time, one more time, one more time.
The track embodies some of the greatest catastrophes faced by group members. Barker was critically injured in a 2008 plane crash that killed 4 of the 6 people aboard. And Mark revealed in 2021 that he was undergoing treatment for cancer. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.